Instead of switching back and forth between apps, use Multi-Window to open 2 or more apps at the same time. First, tap Recent to see apps you've recently opened. All you have to do is tap the app icon. A few options will show up. Pop-up View creates a smaller version of the app that you can move around on screen. Tap X to close this app. Split Screen View shares the screen with another app. Tap the app icon. Keep a cooking recipe open and split the screen with the Measurements feature on your calculator.